Hello everyone, welcome back to the Deutsch Lernen TV. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb haben. Konjugation des Verbs haben. This is part 5.8. Hope you can remember what we learned in the previous lessons. In part 5.1, how to conjugate the verb sein. In part 5.2, how to conjugate the verbs with the ending en. In part 5.3, how to conjugate the verbs with the ending ten. And in part 5.4, how to conjugate the verbs with the ending sten, sen and zen. In part 5.5, conjugation of the verbs that its stem changes e to ie. In part 5.6, conjugation of the verbs that its stem changes e to I. In part 5.7, conjugation of the verbs that its stem changes a to a with umlaut. Die neuen Wörter, the new words. Die Katzen, the cats. Die Beine, the legs. Die Sonne, the sons. Die Kinder, the children. Die Schwester, the sister. Die Knöpfe, the buttons. Das Auto, the car. Die Jacken, the jackets. Die Prüfung, the exam. Fieber, fever. Okay, now let's move on to the lesson for today. Konjugation des Verbs haben. Das Verb haben mit die Singular Pronomen. Ich habe, I have or I am having. Du hast, you have or you are having. Sie haben, you have or you are having. Hat, he has or he is having. Sie hat, she has or she is having. Es hat, it has or it is having. Das Verb haben mit die Pluralpronomen. Wir haben, we have or we are having. Ihr habt, you have or you are having. Sie haben, you have or you are having. Sie haben, they have or they are having. Now it's your turn. Try to translate these 10 sentences into German. Die Übung, exercise. Well, let's check whether you are correct. Die Antworten. I have fever. Ich habe Fieber. You have a sister. Du hast eine Schwester. Oh, ihr habt eine Schwester. Oh, sie haben eine Schwester. We have 2 cats. Wir haben 2 Katzen. They have an exam. Sie haben eine Prüfung. Mr. Schmidt has 3 sons. Herr Schmidt hat 3 Söhne. It has 6 legs. Es hat 6 Beine. She has a car. Sie hat ein Auto. Maria and Peter have children. Maria und Peter haben Kinder. The shirt has 8 buttons. Das Hemd hat 8 Knöpfe. He has 19 jackets. Hat 19 Jacken. Die Zusammenfassung. This is the summary of what we learned today.
Danke fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Auf Wiedersehen!